buddy. I didn't expect you. So what we're doing, we're making tortillas. So you have to do it nice and flat. Daddy, copy what I do.
Oh.
So you have to smooth it out really careful.
Wait. Let's tell them the ingredients.
So we need flour and a bit of this mix. What is it? Water. Oil.
Little bit of salt.
Little bit of salt.
Mix it together.
Mix it together.
And then make tortillas.
And make tortillas. So we're after we'll make cookies of this.
Yes. So.
And you have to smooth it out really. Come on. I want to show you what to do.
Okay.
Come on.
Oh, show me?
So,
okay. I'm sorry.
So you have to flat it so carefully.
Sorry, I'm trying to make it so you guys can see what she's doing and still see her face.
So let's see.
Okay.
So you do this, Daddy. So you do this.
How many times have you made tortillas in your life? So
show the camera how many times.
Show the camera. So how many Wow. That's really good. So all the parents that are out there with the school closure, we're coming up with creative ideas to keep us busy. So we're trying homemade tortillas for the second time in our life. So don't expect anything.
Our house already looks like an art museum.
Oh, let me show you one we made. Hold on.
Well, I will show.
What state is it?
Wait, well first let me show, hold on. Let's stay right there, Makayla. Let's show them something else first. Okay.
I'm okay, guys.
Show them this tortilla.
This is
a tortilla that we just kidding. We didn't make this. Let's show them. Let's show them what our tortilla
You
looks
have
like.
to share.
So how do we roll them out? Oops.
So it's okay.
Is that?
That is not how you make a tortilla.
I know, but we showed them what not to do.
But we have to do this.
Okay.
Oh, watch your head.
So we make it so flat.
Mm-hmm.
If I do a good job,
Yeah.
say, wow, kids, Makayla has been practicing so well.
Oh, kids. So we have this rolling pin. So the idea is to like make an oval, put it down, and then roll it into a circle.
And if you want, you don't need to use the roller. You just flatten it out so carefully. And this is the tortilla maker to make it big.
This was gifted to me by our neighbor.
And
so
we also
thank
have
you very
this.
much.
We also have flour.
Oh, flour, a lot of flour.
A lot, like 1 million scoops.
Okay, so this is the idea. We're kind of like.
Joe, let me explain, and you have to copy it.
Okay, you explain. Okay.
So you just flatten it out like this, but if you want, you can make it really hard. And here's another one.
Oh, you want me to do? Okay, I'll do another one. Sorry. All right. Here, I got another one.
They're right there.
Okay, so you throw a little bit of flour on the counter so it doesn't stick when you roll it. Makayla is using an old technique.
Joe!
Pounding it with her fist. What?
No, I'm doing it like this.
Oh.
So, right here, guys.
Okay, show 'em.
For our cookies, after these tortillas are cooked,
Right.
we are making these. So, Daddy, you have to do this.
Okay.
But if you want, you can bake it.
Are your hands clean?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So, now, wash your hands. If you're playing with slime and you make a humongous bubble, after we are making a humongous bubble thing and a cookie like the
Tomorrow.
So,
Okay. So what are you doing now? What's your step?
Flour.
So sometimes these don't look like really good, but they taste delicious. So no matter what state you make or shape, they're all very good. And Makayla likes to throw 15 pounds of flour after on it, so it will keep you full for about a week. Wow, you're really good at that. Who taught you how to do that?
You.
Oh. All right. Okay, keep big. Wow.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Whoa, whoa. Okay, show them. Let's show them this way. Look at. Wow.
Wait, we have to make it into into a
I know, but don't drop it hard.
big,
Okay.
humongous circle.
Okay.
Like, so tight.
Okay. Whoa, that looks real. That actually is a really good one. Ooh, the flip.
Done.
Done. Okay. So this is where it's like a tortilla warmer. This is where we put all our tortillas in after.
It smells gross.
Oh, thank you. Tell the audience it smells delicious. What do
It
you mean?
smells gross.
So let's try. I'm just putting them in the flour.
So I'm gonna try to make it.
Okay. So the technique Makayla is using is called the drum technique. It's like she's playing the drums. It's an old technique from 1857, I think, right? Easy, easy. Okay, Makayla, trick question. What state is this?
Oval.
Oh! Good, 2 points.
Oh!
Okay, don't drop it on the floor, because then if you do, it adds more flavor, so we don't want to do that. Remember, tortillas need to be made carefully. This is passed on to us through generations, and generations is a secret recipe. Just kidding.
Just on YouTube.
I saw a video on YouTube and I'm trying this. Okay, finish your last tortilla and talk to them about what you're gonna do on your break.
How about you try to make the Statue of Liberty in one?
Okay, I need a knife.
I'll get you. Where?
Mm.
Alright, let me give you a butter knife.
But I need it really big.
Here, here's a butter
We
knife.
should get us those kid knives.
Here you go.
Well, we could go back to the stores.
I need yours because mine is not big.
Yeah, stop.
Okay.
Okay.
We're probably gonna have to buy 30 pounds of flour. Okay, so we made about 12 tortillas of all different shapes. Makayla's working on the final masterpiece. Have one by and we'll see them on the next one.
Tomorrow.
Bye, everybody. We'll see you on the next one.
See you
Bye guys. Stay
Homeschool survival.
Bye guys, stay safe out there. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
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 Oh gosh, I have to take another bath now.
Bye.